The Great Benin Kingdom, a legacy of wealth, artistry, and diplomacy. Introduction. Nigeria, a country rich in cultural diversity and historical significance, boasts a fascinating past that has shaped its present-day identity. One of the most captivating chapters in Nigerian history is the rise and fall of the Great Benin Kingdom, an empire renowned for its opulence, exceptional artistry, and remarkable diplomatic relations. This article delves into the intriguing history of the Great Benin Kingdom, shedding light on its notable achievements and enduring legacy, origins and early development. The Great Benin Kingdom traces its roots back to the 11th century when it emerged as a small settlement in what is now southern Nigeria. Initially, it was ruled by a series of powerful Ojusos, kings, who established a structured society with a centralized political system. The kingdom's early development was marked by advancements in agriculture, trade, and craftsmanship, flourishing trade routes. As the Great Benin Kingdom expanded its influence, it became a pivotal center for trade in West Africa, situated along the crossroads of several major trade routes, including those connecting the Saharan region with the coastal areas. Benin thrived economically. It became renowned for its export of precious goods such as ivory, palm oil, pepper, and textiles, attracting merchants from across the continent. Exceptional artistry and cultural expression. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Great Benin Kingdom was its unparalleled artistic achievements. The kingdom's artisans mastered the intricate techniques of bronze casting, creating exquisite sculptures, plaques, and ornaments that depicted scenes from everyday life, royal ceremonies, and mythical narratives. These masterpieces not only served as symbols of power but also provided invaluable insights into the kingdom's rich cultural heritage. Diplomatic relations and European encounters. In the 15th century, European explorers, including Portuguese traders, made contact with the Great Benin Kingdom. This encounter led to a flourishing diplomatic relationship, with the kingdom establishing trade agreements and cultural exchanges with European powers. The Oba, king, of Benin even sent ambassadors to European courts, fostering a unique blend of African and European influences within the kingdom's art and governance. British invasion and the punitive expedition. The 19th century marked a turning point in the history of the Great Benin Kingdom. In 1897, tensions between the British Empire and the kingdom escalated, leading to the infamous punitive expedition. The British, under the pretext of stopping human sacrifice and suppressing the slave trade, launched a military campaign that resulted in the looting and destruction of Benin City, including its treasured artworks. Legacy and cultural preservation. Despite the devastating impact of the British invasion, the Great Benin Kingdom's legacy endures to this day. Many of its priceless artworks were looted but have since been scattered across museums worldwide. However, efforts are underway to repatriate these cultural treasures back to Nigeria. Additionally, the kingdom's descendants continue to honor their heritage through various cultural festivals, traditional ceremonies, and the preservation of oral history. Conclusion. The Great Benin Kingdom stands as a testament to Nigeria's rich historical tapestry. Its opulence, exceptional artistry, and diplomatic relations with European powers have left an indelible mark on Nigerian culture. As Nigeria embraces its future while cherishing its past, the Great Benin Kingdom remains an enduring symbol of resilience, creativity, and the importance of preserving cultural heritage for generations to come.